Windows 11 has recently been announced, and be prepared for some big changes. Like most of us, we cringe to think of learning a new operating system setup, and new program features and designs might not line up with the ones we are so used to. You get the first look as we break down the all-new Microsoft Windows 11 and what you should expect. So come along and get nerdy with us. This is literally one of the most significant updates of Windows of the past decade. Windows 11 has a new streamlined style that is more Mac-like in appearance, with pastel-like hues and softened edges. The Windows Start menu has been relocated to the center of the screen, with program icons placed in the center next to it. You'll also discover widgets that provide weather, stock, and news updates, among other things. What was so powerful was the shift in the PC we saw and felt, from something practical and functional to something personal and emotional, wrote Panos Panay, Microsoft's Chief Product Officer for Windows and Devices. The new Windows 11 Teams. Microsoft Teams will also be built directly into Windows 11, becoming a more FaceTime-like chat app. You can connect with friends, family, or work members at literally the touch of a button. A fresh, sleek design with ease of use in mind. Works with any operating software, even Apple iOS. Let's talk about Windows widgets. It's a sheet of glass pane window with your feed right at your fingertips, helping Windows adapt to our everyday needs. You can overview daily tasks or news by simply scrolling the window. New desktops for each user are new to Windows 11. You can customize each desktop for every user experience. Snap layouts and docking features will save you time from having to reset layouts whenever you are connecting or disconnecting from another monitor. Or when you are busy multitasking, the new Snap features make it easy to navigate between pages and windows quick and clean. There's also multiple typing options. One built-in feature on Microsoft Surface is that you can have a smartphone device-style window while typing with one hand, or ditch the keyboard altogether and voice command text-to-type. Windows' new pen tool features will have your productivity brain buzzing. All new voice recognition will help you write or create content like a breeze. Windows Wireless Connect makes streaming so much easier right from your desktop. The new HDR features enhances your viewing experience with highlighted colors and saturated tones. Gaming gets a new upgrade with Xbox built right in with Game Pass. There's also newer, faster rendering of games with the new Direct Storage API from Microsoft. Lightning fast response times on this new platform. It's truly remarkable gaming on a PC. The new Windows 11 App Store is absolutely amazing. All the apps you need safely and securely stored right in Microsoft's Store feature. For the first time, Android apps will run natively on Windows through Amazon's App Store. Windows has expanded their partnership with Adobe Creative Cloud and is offering Adobe's CC versions of Cloud Documents and Live projects right inside the Microsoft Store app. This version of Windows really makes creativity, battery life, performance, touch, and pen all feel seamless and interactive, all with a subtle design. It seems there are no boundaries of what the new Windows 11 can do. Whether you're building a business, building a game, playing a game, connecting with friends, or sharing memories with family, Windows 11 makes that flow freely with a total new user experience. It's a platform for creators, an open platform that takes bold steps in technology and innovation to help us all build for the next decade and beyond. We feel the new Windows will take some getting used to with a total remake of the OS buttons, icons, windows, and app layouts. All in all, we feel that Microsoft really made huge leaps in designing from a user experience in mind. Whether you're a productive business manager or web coder, you always wonder about stability and crashes on new platforms. We feel Windows went out of their way to make a solid platform from back end to front end. This is also supposed to be the safest version of Windows yet. All these new features have us all awaiting the new flagship operating system for PCs in the world. Will the new Windows 11 inspire you and your loved ones? Share your comments in the comment section of what you think of the Microsoft Windows 11. Do you like the new designs and features? Which one grabbed your attention the most? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.